What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a trade recap. Took two trades, two wins overall, or one break even, one win. The first one should have been a win too, so it doesn't really matter. Let's get into it though. So let's delete what we have here. Running away at pot of bean, not a great day overall. We'll mark this like this. So overall, right? If you're looking at this market right here, right? What are we doing? Swept this internal liquidity right here, right? Inside this 15-minute imbalance. You get a 15-minute change in state, you have a 15-minute bullish imbalance. We'll make it green to show that it's bullish. Right, bullish imbalance, 15 minutes. Zoom into the 5-minute. What else are you doing here? You have 5-minute change in the state to the upside, which, right, that's one of my new must-haves in a trade, right? 5-minute change in the state to the upside right here. This is that 5-minute imbalance. So we're kind of just watching this right here. Still respecting it. Market opens at 9:30. So right at 9:30 on the 1 minute, you see we come down and manipulate this low right here, and it's an SMT. So once that SMT, I'm even more bullish, but I think I was on the 15-second at this point. So we come down, right? We inverse that, then come back down. I want to see this get inversed right here. This gets inversed. I enter long, probably like somewhere around here with my stops. It was either there or there. One of these, somewhere with my stops like this. And I'm targeting this buy side level and this kind of these two things right here. Now the problem with this trade, right? Good overall. Very happy with the setup, right? 5-minute change to the upside, 15's on the upside. We manipulate a low, right? Inverse something, right? We're ready to go higher. So we get a bid push up, right? Come back down, push up again. Now at this point, I put my stop like right here because my entry was a little higher. So say this is my entry, right? It's on the 15th, so you can be able to tell. But you see, like my entry is like up here. It was like really high once we inversed. So it would have probably been like right here, right? So I kind of just had it in profit a little bit. But we come down and wick me out on this low right here. And now what can I learn from this? Well, two things is we have a 1-minute change in the state right here. Right? We have a 1-minute change in the state right here. So there's two areas I can kind of put my stop. I'm back in that action. So you see we come down, really just take this low, soup this low, then launch the TP. Could have had my stop directly at break even, which I should probably do. Like, there's no need for me to have my stop a little bit in profit. Like, nothing really changes from 3 points to missing out on 50, right? So I get stopped out at break even. I also was just weird because it was like 1 minute after market open, but I was very confident. I knew we would go there. So drill that right there, right? So now I'm like, okay, let's reset, refresh, reset, you know? We come up and take this, and we're starting to see a lot of rejection right there, right? But what's kind of one of the main rules now is we need to see a 5-minute change in the state of delivery in order to mark that we're going to go short. So right here, right, we get our 5-minute change in the state. This is the 15-minute. So you see, we come and take these highs, we start to sell off, and we get a 5-minute change in the state, right? So I'm very bearish now because the change in the state's right here. So you see, we get a 5-minute change in the state of delivery. We have this 5-minute imbalance right here, and my main target is these stacked lows that we have. So we have these lows right here, and then we have these lows right here. So it's kind of the range we're trading in. Click got 33 Scotty Pippen, bitch. So we have these lows right here stacked. We have a 5-minute change in the state without taking any of the major draw, right? Like this is all none of these lows don't really matter right here. So we have this 5-minute change in state. We create a 5-minute imbalance. Now I'm zoomed in. The initial entry was here on the 1 minute, but we have this stacked high right here that in my mind is going to act as turtle soup if we're going to go lower. So what do? We come down, generate another low, right? Leave the lows there. We pull back up to the soup. Where's the soup also now? The thing that's really interesting about this trade, it's kind of a deeper analysis. But so the original pullback wasn't at discount yet, but you see the market, it's such an algorithm. It's actually very interesting. So you see now discount is right at this soup level, right at this imbalance level, right? Like this is a very hot spot to reject. So I'm on the 15-second when we pull back up there, and I kind of just want to see some 15-second confirmation to really get in there. This becomes an SMT right inside the 5-minute imbalance, right? So we have 5-minute imbalance, 5-minute change of state to the downside, stacked lows, liquidity sweep, break a structure to the downside. Like we have all these things. We're pulling back to a discount. Everything is aligning here. So I enter short with one con, like right here. Once we get a reaction, really, is when I enter short. I've hit my stop at like this high. Now, did I need to have my stop at this high? No, I probably could have kept my stop here, right, and halved it, and then did this. But this was the second trade. This one was a full TP hit. I was trailing my stop tightly in case we came to London because I did want to see London. We got close, but we didn't quite get there. So I did get stopped. Like, I mean, my TP got hit. But so this was my original trade because I thought maybe we'll pull back. But as you see, we come back, respect this 15-second bearish, dump to the lows. Um, just such a clean range over here. You know, we come down, liquidity sweep these lows. Now we go back to range highs. We take range highs, get a 5-minute change in the state to the downside, come back up, soup the high with an SMT, start to sell off, bang, you know, easiest 60 points ever. Really, really starting to align, you know, sell side of the curve right here. But yeah, that's the 2 trades of today, 2 wins. Feeling really good moving forward. Very, very happy overall. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, you can join my free Discord link in the description. Thank you guys so much. God bless.